Plaid Cymru is a party that is rooted in community. We care about making a real difference to people's lives, whether it's helping people who have lost their homes due to flooding, delivering food parcels to those in need, backing local businesses, or improving our public services. Plaid Cymru is out there every day in communities across Wales, working hard on behalf of the people they represent.
I believe the only way for change is to come out and speak and to be honest and to say the challenges that you face, the barriers that you face. I'm just thankful and I'm just lucky that the people in Plaid Cymru understand my barriers, want to help me overcome them barriers, and are willing to make a change.
Well, we have good representatives. They're very enthusiastic, young, and we feel that they represent the people of Wales.
Indeed.
We will help communities like the one I'm part of actually make a difference. Plaid Cymru have said that they will help us to restore this park and to take into account the needs of communities as opposed to putting profit before people.
It's been great to be able to, turn up on people's doorsteps with a bag of food every week and have a chat with them and talk about other stuff, and the things that concern them locally.
I believe this is the only party that will serve Wales, give the people of Wales what they want.
I'm standing as a Plaid Cymru councillor because I want to shape the community I belong to. And I believe Plaid Cymru has a focus on Wales and stands for those rural communities.
Plaid Cymru is a party that has the back of everybody who's in Wales, regardless of who they are or where they came from. It's great to work with people with the same overriding principles who really care about people and want to make a real, tangible difference to people's lives.
I'm someone who's really passionate for the local community, and I really want to make sure that the village reaches its full potential. I'm really proud of the things Plaid Cymru have achieved for the people of Wales, especially recently securing free school meals for all children across Wales. I know this is going to make such a difference to so many in our communities.
Because Plaid Cymru is your local party. So in the local government elections on the 5th of May, vote for your local Plaid Cymru candidate so we can continue to make a difference and deliver real change for you and your community. Vote Plaid Cymru on the 5th of May.